To check Amazon Prime Visa bonus categories, start by understanding what the Amazon Prime Visa card is. It is a credit card offered by Chase Bank that provides cardholders with various rewards and benefits, including bonus categories that offer extra points for certain purchases. First, you need to have an Amazon Prime membership in the Amazon Prime Visa card. If you do not have the card, you can apply for it on the Amazon website or through the Chase Bank website. To check the bonus categories, log into your Amazon account and navigate to the Amazon Prime Visa card page. Here, you will find information about your card, including the current bonus categories. You can also log in to your Chase Bank account online or through the Chase Bank mobile app to view your Amazon Prime Visa card details. Click on the card account and look for the Rewards or Benefits section, where you will find the current bonus categories. Another way to find the bonus categories is by checking your email for notifications from Chase Bank or Amazon. They often send emails to cardholders about the current bonus categories and any changes to the rewards program. The bonus categories typically change every quarter, so it is essential to check them regularly to maximize your rewards. Some common bonus categories include gas stations, restaurants, and grocery stores. For example, if the current bonus category is gas stations, you will earn extra points for every dollar you spend at gas stations during that quarter. You can earn up to 5 points per dollar spent in the bonus category, depending on your card benefits. To make the most of the bonus categories, use your Amazon Prime Visa card for all your purchases in the bonus category. You can also use the Chase Bank mobile app to track your spending and stay on top of your rewards. In addition to checking the bonus categories, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of your Amazon Prime Visa card. This will help you avoid any potential pitfalls and ensure that you are getting the most out of your card benefits. By following these steps and staying informed about the bonus categories, you can maximize your rewards and get the most out of your Amazon Prime Visa card. Remember to always check the Amazon website or Chase Bank website for the latest information on the bonus categories and any changes to the rewards program.